What fraction is 0.375 equal to? So you need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip this decimal, write the number you are getting. So after skipping decimal, we are getting the number 375. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. Of course, you have to write as a multiplication. Now you need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? If you want to simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. And if you want to reduce this fraction in multiple step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. So 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5, uh, cause the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 cause the last digit is 0. So here I will get 2, and here I will get what? 375. 5. 5 goes into 37, 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25. That is, you are getting 75. Again, this 75 is divisible by 5, I will get 15. This is divisible by 5, I will get 2. This is divisible by 5, I will get 2. This is divisible by 5, I will get 3. So you are getting 3 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. That is 3 by 8 fraction is equal to 0.375.